Hey y'all, welcome to Legends Hall. My name is Gabriella. I'm a current RL here. I'm a junior biomed pre-farm major. Welcome to Legends Hall. Legends Hall is a first-year residence hall with a double split by bathroom layout. This 3-floor residence hall comes with 2 extra long twin-size beds, 2 desks and chairs, 2 3-drawer dressers, 2 bookshelves, and a microwave fridge unit. Along with this, a private bathroom and shower. Each building offers students with 24-hour access to complimentary laundry rooms as well as study rooms like the one we're in right now. Each hall requires students to swipe their ID at the front door, side door, and their room doors. Come on, let's take a closer look on what it's like inside a Legends and Legacy room. Each room comes with a private bathroom that houses a shower, toilet, and single vanity mirror with tons of cabinet space for both students to use. That's all for this rendition of Texan Cribs. Thanks for visiting Legends and Legacy Hall. We can't wait to have you on campus. For more information, visit @Tarleton Bound or @Tarleton Residence Live for more information regarding housing. Go Texans!